What I was told was going to happen today was I was told that one of the educators was going to get an award today. And it was someone really important. It was one of the best educators in the whole country. And yeah, that's just what I heard about what was going to happen today. And I just heard that I was going to be able to do the Pledge of Allegiance for everyone there. And yeah, that's basically just all I knew about. I was I felt happy for Mr. Huddick, how he was getting that award, and I felt like he should have gotten the award. I also felt like he should have gotten the award too, cause well, he's a great principal and an educator, and he's just the best principal I could probably ever have here. Something I want to say to Mr. Huddick would be thank you for being a great and awesome principal, and you're awesome. That's what I'd want to say to him.